Okay, now let's take a look at AUD USD for the 25th, which is for the next day. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's start with the trend first. Before we place any trade, we would want to know the trend for such movement, and we can see that this AUD USD is giving us an uptrend move. You clearly can see an higher highs and higher lows, right? We can also see that this our price is also trading above this 10 period simple moving average. So once your price is trading above your 10 period simple moving average, then definitely that is a bullish move. Or what you would want to do is look for an opportunity to go ahead and take your buy. So let's see this as a pullback, right? This is the ice, right? And now price is actually making a new high. So I believe this new high will be broken for tomorrow. So this is the level that I'll be watching out for. This level of 0.71180. So let's at least watch out for that level. If this AUD USD can get to that level, then I believe there would be maybe a massive drop. Though AUD USD will give us a bullish move for the next day, then a drop. I believe there will be a news maybe around New York section about AUD. If I'm not wrong, I think there will be a news that will be released about this our AUD in the New York section. So before that, let's see if this AUD can give us, kind of like a bullish move before we kind of get a drop. So if this AUD can give us a bullish move, currently where it is, to this level that we are talking about, that should make about 72 pips. So if AUD can make about 72 pips bullish move for the next day, to hit this level of 0.71180, then I believe AUD USD should now drop. So this is the level we should watch out for, 0.71180, before AUD can drop for the next day.